back to my channel. I'm Abby and I'm super excited to be doing another lettering video. Today we are going to be working on different lettering styles to enhance your writing. Let's get started. Like always, we need special hand lettering pens, a hard surface, and paper. Pause the video to gather these materials. The first style is, you could call it kind of like fake hand lettering, but I'm doing it all thin and then adding in extra thick lines. And you can leave it hollow, but I chose to add in little triangles and then color them in. This next one, I'm doing almost like big block letters, where they're big and bold, but I drew the letters and then outlined them with a black Sharpie and then drew a big shadow so it stands out a lot and almost looks like it's at an angle. This one, I'm doing it, it's almost like a marquee, but I'm doing a hollow letter and then filling in dots and then outlining them and adding a little shadow. A lot of the words I'm going to be adding shadows because I think it's really cool. This one, I'm making it to where the letter's almost like a ribbon, because I'm adding like extra lines and I'm shading them in more. This one, I'm doing one big word and then doing different styles for each letter. This one, I'm doing lines for the letter, and as you see, they don't touch the actual outline of the letter. The next letter I'm doing, it's kind of like, almost like a gradient where I fill it in half and then do little lines and then bigger lines that are more spaced out and leave a little white. The next one, I'm doing kind of the same thing, except I'm doing it with dots. I'm putting all the dots closer together and then they spread out as I get closer to the top. The next one I'm doing is kind of like the second one I did, where it's big and bold. If you do it with one big word, all the letters are kind of like at a different angle. And then the O, I did kind of like the gradient with the L, but I did it with different colors. I chose with blue, but you can do it with pinks, purples. I think it looks cool if you do different shades of the same color. And then this word, I'm doing kind of like stitching around the word, where it's, I drew little lines around the word. So it almost looks like a little patch that you would iron on an apron or something. It's that time again. We are going to go back to our overall picture. This week, I'm going to be doing my two favorite fonts. I'm going to be doing the ribbon-like font and the little striped to where it doesn't hit outline, and a fun little exclamation point. Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell, and I will see you really soon. Bye!